Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to be talking about the best Mazda to drive for the winter months. It's been a screwy winter this year. We had a lot of snow last couple days. We've had a ton of fog. We've had black ice in certain areas, and it's only January, my friends. We still have a lot of winter left. If you're going to drive a vehicle in Wisconsin during the winter months, the vehicle that you want to drive is going to be the Mazda CX-50. This is the 2024 Mazda CX-50. It's going to have a larger wheelbase, lower to the ground for the greater stability. Best part with this particular Mazda here, it has a feature called MI Drive. With MI Drive, besides going into sport mode, you can also go into an off-road mode. Off-road mode is going to lower the torque and will apply brake force to the wheels that aren't getting traction. Really allows you to get through pretty much any situation. So I don't care how deep the snow is, this vehicle right here can handle it. It's a fantastic vehicle and a fantastic addition to your family's garage. What's nice is because it's a Mazda, you're going to get proactive all-wheel drive, blind spot monitoring, lane departure assist, radar cruise control. This vehicle has it all. And because it's a Mazda, you'll get 3 years of free mobile start. So when it's freezing outside, open your phone up, pull out your app, hit the start button, and this car will start when you're inside the house. You can get it warmed up right away. This is an excellent vehicle for the winter months. This vehicle will keep you safe, secure, warm, and the best part about it, because it's a Mazda, you'll have fun while doing it. So come see me here at Russ Darrow Mazda. And once again, my name is Jason, floor manager here. You can see us at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. I'll look for you a lot. You guys take care. Bye-bye.